Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to change color of clothes in Canva. And for this you don't need Canva Pro and you can do it for free. So let's start with it. So I'll be choosing YouTube thumbnail so that I get a better canvas and a bigger one so that I can explain you in detail the color of clothes change. So before starting I will request all of you to please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from DLC Ventures India. So let's start with it. So I'll go to elements. Okay, and I will come here to recently used and I will use this picture which is a free one because as I am saying that I am showing the whole tutorial for free, so I have chosen an image which is also free to use. So as you can see it is free to use and the keyword is woman in yellow dress holding a rose. Okay, so you can get it for free in elements or in photos inside Canva. So I'll just click on it and bring it to the canvas and I will just place it here. Okay, and I will just make it smaller because I just want to show the color of dress change. So I will just duplicate it and I will just place it here. Okay, so I will change it to 3 colors. Let's make it bigger and I will just place it here. Okay, so the first one is the original one. Let's change it to another color. So I will click on edit. Okay, and I will come to adjust here and make sure the select area is whole image. Okay, and you just scroll down until you find the color edit option. Okay, when you find it just click on the color because this is the color which is the dress color here, and you just go and change it to any color. As you can see in here, this is a sky blue color and you just work on the saturations to make it more bright or more colorful. Okay, so this is the first color which I can show you here, and let me show you the second one. Again the same thing, but this time I will change it to pink color one. Okay, so as you can see the color is changed and I will work on the first one also. Let's change it to another color. Okay, so the first one I will work on it and make it to a, for example I will make it to a purple color or a magenta color to be precise, or let's try something in green. Okay, so let's try something in green and let's decrease the saturation to make it proper. Okay, so this is the color change and it is very easy to do and you can just make it in under 1 minute. So I think you like it, and if you want to work on the saturations of other colors you can easily do it because here the dress, along with the dress color, the face color is also changing slightly, so you can just work on the shade for the saturation part and just work on it. Okay, and you can also work on the pink color to make the face color same. Okay, and work on the brightness also so that you can just change it to here. And if you want to change it to any color like white, just come here and decrease the saturation, and as you can see the, so it is easy to do even for the white color. But currently if you want to change the black to black color, it is not proper black is possible. So currently Canva is not available for changing it to black color, but you can work on it and change it accordingly. Okay, so hope you like this tutorial, and this is a great tutorial to try and make new designs with similar colors or different colors and change any cloth color to any color.